Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows XP in Oracle VM VirtualBox. So in my last video I showed you guys where to install Windows 11, Oracle VM, and the extension pack. I'll leave the link to that video in the description. So let's get started. So first what we need is Oracle VM VirtualBox. So we already have this from the last video. Next we can open Google. And once we do, we can go ahead, search up Windows XP ISO, and then you're going to click this. I'll leave the link to this website in the description. So we're going to click ISO image and click download. So I already have it downloaded over here. And so that's going to give you, and then this is going to give you the product code. Like I said, I'll leave links to the description. So you can go ahead, copy this product code, because in Windows XP you can't really skip it. So once your download is done, you can go ahead, close out Chrome, and then we're going to launch Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, so as you can see, this is our Windows 11 machine. So to add another one, we're going to click New, and then we're going to type Windows XP. So this will auto-select, and we're going to put Windows XP 32-bit, but if you have the extension pack, we can do 64-bit. So we need at least 4 megabytes of RAM since this is pretty old, but you can boost it up a little. I'm going to give it 2 cores. And then we're going to go ahead and click create a virtual hard disk now. And then we're going to make this 16 gigs. And then that's it. So once we're done, we can go ahead, click settings, like I said in the previous video. When we don't have our operating system yet, so it just won't work. Like if we go here, the storage, this compartment is empty. So we need to go ahead, click empty, go to storage, click the disk icon, and click choose disk file, and then we're going to click EN Windows XP Professional. So once you're done, go ahead, click OK. But if you want to, you can go ahead, review your settings, like the name, the type, your system, your display. So if you want, we're going to go ahead and make this all the way to 128 megs. And we're going to go to storage, and we're just going to click OK. So we now have Windows XP installed. So we're going to go ahead and launch it. Click on it and click the green arrow. And it should say powering VM up. Okay, so now we can just go up here and let's load up. So yeah, this is Windows XP. So in the bottom it'll say setup is starting Windows. And in this tutorial we will also be showing you how to make it full screen. So we're going to click enter to continue. We're going to click F8 and we're going to click enter. Then we're going to use our arrow keys to go up to the first one and click enter. Okay, and this will take a few seconds. And this may take a few minutes. If you guys could like and subscribe to this video and the last video, that would be amazing. And thank you. I'll come back to you guys when this is done. Once it's done, it'll take you to this screen. It'll say you can just click enter. And then it's going to restart. So and you can click nothing. Because this will put it in a boot loop. And we have launched Windows XP. So this is just the Windows XP setup. You can use your cursor now. Okay, so we're gonna wait for installing Windows. and this might take a while. And we're gonna get a little pop-up. So once we're in this little pop-up, it's not gonna be done, but we just have to do this. Click. So this is basically all your language settings. Go ahead, click customize. And you can see your language here. You can select it. You can look at this. This is the time zone and all this stuff. And then there's location. And we can just go ahead and click OK if you're happy. So we can go to details, and there you can change the same thing. Click next. Put in your name. If you don't put your name, it'll just make you the administrator. I can go ahead and put YouTube. And go ahead and click next. So here's the product key that we got from that website. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Once you've put it in, go ahead and click next. And you can choose your computer name. You don't need to set it as defaults. So we can just go ahead and make our computer name VMPC like our last one. And go ahead, type in our administrator password. Confirm it. And we click next. And we're gonna make sure all these settings are correct. And we have to wait for Windows to install. So this part won't take a while. This will be pretty fast. You can go ahead and see the approximately. And I'll come back to you guys once we're done. Now our download is done. It's gonna restart our computer. Make sure you don't click anything, or else it will go into a boot loop. Okay, now we're launching Windows XP. This is a perfect noise. Click next. Click not right now. Then click next. And then we're gonna put in our name. I'm just gonna make this administrator. So I'm gonna log in my mic. That is a perfect sound, guys. So we've installed Windows XP, right? But it's still pretty small, like Windows 11. So let's make this big. There's so many pop-ups. So you're gonna go ahead, click devices on the top like last time. Click insert guest edition CD image. Wait for 5 seconds, then click start and click my computer. Click VirtualBox guest edition CD. Click next, next, install. And then wait for this to start. And then once it's done, click finish. And I'll say Windows is shutting down. Now it will restart Windows. And then it should load into Windows XP. And we're gonna click let's have some fun. Once we're done, click X, click in, click view, click full screen mode. And we should be here. So yeah, this is pretty cool. We've installed Windows XP. So you can go ahead and search user. Okay, and we're in. So this is pretty cool, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe. Thank you, guys.